But let's talk about these lines of storms as they make their way into the state. By 4 o'clock, the storms are just making their way into northwest Indiana. The heaviest of the storm activity still off across the state line in Illinois. But by about 6:30, the cold front is making its way right through the middle of the state. Timing not good for their evening commute, as we will be dealing with some thunderstorms, some of which could be on the strong to possibly severe side. And then by 8 o'clock, the risk of severe weather is quickly diminishing as the storms race off into Ohio. And then we quickly start to clear out overnight. But the storm prediction center has almost the entire state of Indiana under a slight risk for severe weather. The exception is the far northwestern portion of the state. And our main threats with today's potential severe weather will be wind and hail. Wind's probably the greatest threat, with hail the secondary threat. But nonetheless, we are going to be dealing with these storms as they make their way through. 80 degrees, that's the current temperature right now in the city. 75 in Columbus. 79 is the current temperature right now in Lafayette, and Bloomington is at 77. It's very muggy out there as well. But notice the difference. Look at this. Minneapolis, 60 degrees right now is the current temperature. That is the fall-like air that'll start to move in starting tomorrow. So highs today will climb up to about 84 degrees in Indianapolis as well as Bloomington, 83 in Columbus. Then overnight tonight, look what happens to the temperatures. They drop all the way down into the 50s. The humidity drops as well. It's a very comfortable overnight period. And what a great stretch of weather heading our way as high pressure builds in. Cooler, less humid air will be in place, not for just one day, not for just 2 days, but for the rest of this work week. This is a great 7-day planning forecast for the middle to end of July. We get a break from the heat and humidity after today. Tuesday, 72, lots of sunshine. Wednesday, 73 with mostly sunny skies. In fact, Wednesday morning, some areas could get pretty close to the record low temperature, which is at 49 degrees. And then we'll start to warm it up a little bit into Friday at 77. But Saturday and Sunday looking very nice with mostly sunny skies and high temperatures in the 80s.